That black one is also cold. And then the crazy part is the one that was like it. Hello my beautifuls and my handsomes. Welcome to a new vlog, you guys. Sanibonani nonke emakhaya. Igama lami uNhlonipho Johanna. So please do remember me by those names. This is the scent of the day. Black option. This is my typical everyday perfume. Guys, I put makeup on. Can you guys tell that I've got makeup on? I have makeup on, just a basic foundation in Jena. I use that La Roche per se. They always emphasize us to good to see these La Roche per se, and I need to shoot content for it, but that will be story for tomorrow. So I put that as a base. So I basically did my skincare, my normal Nivea skincare routine, but I moisturized with the Vaseline, and then I fagay La Roche Posay sunscreen, and then I put the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I think I'm a shade 325. Am I correct? I need to familiarize myself with these terms. Shade 325, you guys, and I think it's my perfect shade. I think because it's the lady that recommended it for me. Lois de Discam. She's the one that shade matched me to it. So yeah, I had to remove my nails because I had a shoot. So unfortunately I had to remove my nails because my nails had to be clean for that. So I just put this clear nail polish. Just need to confirm a date for my second appointment, for my new set, for my new nail appointment, for the new set for my nail. We need to set a date. Not all. We see our new sets, you know. I love. Every set I've had is inspired by her inspiration, and I absolutely love it. I love her eye, and also I love giving people the freedom to do what they want, so that they can also bring me out of my shell. We're off to the mall, you guys. Another day, another mall run. So Asambele, I'll show you guys my outfit properly. You guys know me and the mall are best friends, so I'm sorry, but I will take you there. Okay, I will go there and I'll take you with me because I love the mall, whether I'm the mali or not. All right, guys, let us go outside. Mwah. Put me in. Guys, I love my life. May not be perfect, but it is perfect for me. Okay. What's he saying? Nanumgam say.
Capture your thing.
That's too short, baby. Gotta enjoy it. These are the only colors as corner. Like, I don't want none of that. You see why I don't like this nail polish? Began Saint John. Ooh, can't wait to do my nails. And then this one. Oh wow. They changed the packaging. Oh my word. The packaging looks like this now. How cute, but it seems smaller now.
Your day and ask you how it is. Why?
Guys, this is the Maybelline. I'm gonna try and see. Do you think that's in kids color? Error.
It's too bright.
How does it look to you?
It's bright.
You're right, huh?
It's bright, but it's kind of watery. Or is it me? It's giving kind of watery.
This one. That's French, that make it French. You're right. It's too light, huh?
Oh,
Try a dark one.
more dark color. Oh, first layer there. Then move for a second layer.
They smell nice though. They smell like coffee. Coffee oil. This one is jolly.
Yeah, it's more your skin color. Yeah, this is more better. But it gives me watery.
Yeah guys, it's light. These are absolutely nice. It's the Super Stay Vinyl Ink. Yeah. See. Like it. Okay. See. We're at Jets. I just saw these nets from the window and I'm like, what? Jet doll? Jet doll? One thing about the Jet, Shemge Sana. It's the one. Look at that. So many of them. Is this for females or for males? I think this is females, yes? The white one is definitely unisex. Definitely unisex. Oh, these are so nice. Oh.
Doesn't remind you my one?
Yeah, it does. Now you need a new one. Oh, these feel so good. Fruits. Babe. That black one is also cold. Yes, and it is big, but we're like, hell no. See, it's hard. There's these jackets that I Jets. There's these jackets that are trending. Angwaboni. Ngifuna check quality yawo ukuthi vele are they the ones? No chill for the wicked. Igqokozalana zingcono. Let me see the price they've got like in terms of these ones.
What's the process?
Trust the process. Seriously, man. Oh, I want a black cap like this. My brother had a cap like this as Imfanela. I'm matte. I am so matte right now. My lips are matte. My face is matte. And I'm on Maybelline, on lips and on skin. Period. So fresh. Yes. Absolutely. I love the sweats.
Just the pants.
Yeah, the pants are nice. It's very nice. Very nice.
More light. Shiny chopping shop.
Yeah. Definitely.
With this, the black pants. Let's see this.
Yeah. So nice. Oh. Yeah, we are like Jets. We're done. We're out. Where are we going? We don't know. We're just walking.
I said, whatever you're comfortable with. Do you want to sit in? You're not going to rush. You're comfortable.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take the hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hoods, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, 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 breathe slow.
Wow, your feet, really?
Yes, she's obsessed.
Well, obsessed. Like, now you have to show them to me. Come on, show them to me. You have to show them
Okay.
to me. Let me see.
Yeah.
Guys, I wrote it, but I need to sang 9. 9. Because I can keep it here. I still have that matte lipstick in Maybelline. It's nice. And the crazy part with the like it's the same
But
people over and over.
Have you ever had regular beggars, regular Oscars? Regular. Story changes every time. Ngifuna ukuya emakhaya ngiyashona.
every time, same
Ngifuna ukuya
story.
esibhedlela ngiyagula. Not special, you don't need to go far, you have to walk across. I'll bring my leg.
get it,
Hayi ngilambile ngicela nje isinkwa. Hayi namhlanje Sunday ngicela nje amakhithini.
Nje.
Ne-2 kanginceda.
Guys, finally got to come and enjoy my tall cappuccino in a mug. I've been wanting to actually do this, so I'm so happy that I did that. And it's empty, like akulang, not good empty, kunabantu, but it's not raining like the other time, and at least today shamoya when I drink so I was able to take some content and enjoy coffee and chill, yabo? Killing many birds with one stone. Guys, when I'm a content creator, you must be able to multitask, have fun, create, chill, and still be, yabo? Yeah. Otherwise, yeah, I'm happy. I feel good. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. And yeah, what more? What more can I want? What more can I say? Grateful for life, you guys. So happy.
Extra, read all about it. One more.
Angazi ngandlela umuntu ahluthule le phone lena ukuthi ngizoyenzani.
Show you one,
Guys,
two jump.
sizonibona ne? Mwah. Ngithanda nonke emakhaya. Mwah. See you masinibona. I said I'll show you guys my outfit of the day, ne? Night. Oh. Night outfits. Have it. Get it? Got it? Good. Ningabin sabus. Yo. Okay. Sharp guy. From mom and dad.
Signing out.
Hey guys, we are so back. Back like we never left. Back from the mall. The shoot was successful. Down in the savannah.
Uyangincenja guys. Uyangincenja.
Manga abafana guys. Andlulele. So I'm tired, I'm exhausted. Shot content, got some coffee. It was nice, it was cute, I loved it. I want to wash off this makeup, and I absolutely love the matte lipstick. Leana. I made a Berlin. It's cute. I don't know if it still shows here. Yeah, I think it shows, but I mixed them. I used that light one first, and then I used the dark one after. So yeah, oh, my specs on. So yeah, love. Angkhumbuza lawa awase legit, the ones I used to buy from legit and stuff, yo. So yeah, angkhumbuza. But we are back, guys. Let me close off today. I'm feeling a bit better, flu-wise. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit better. I think it's safe to say that I'm feeling a bit better. Maramanje, I'm exhausted. I just want to go wash my face and then just chill and be comfy. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alala. Msavavo. Nani savana siyavana. Alright, I'm gonna say, please. Oh, I might take a nap. I might just take a nap. Mwah, babe. Love you. See y'all later. Oh, another day. Bye. Insana ng gamakaya.